Look, if you want to feel and look your best, you want your confidence on high, I want you to practice these 6 morning rituals every day, and I promise you, you'll always be your best. Let's hop into this. 1, always shower. I don't care, non-negotiable. It is insane to me how some dudes will literally roll out of bed, bedhead, they have a whole cowlick, greasy ass hair, they smell crusty, they got a little bit of caca in their eyes, and they'll go out in the world like that. Yo, you never know when you're gonna run into that pretty girl. Do you think she's gonna give you the time of day if you look crusty? Of course not, bro. Shower in the morning is a great way to boost yourself up, wake up, and more importantly, invest in that grooming routine that's gonna make you feel your best all day. 2, trim your beard. And I recommend you do it every 2 to 3 days. That way, if you constantly keep your beard trimmed up, you're able to keep the shape that your barber gave you. That way, it doesn't just grow out crazy and make it more difficult for you to try to line it up by yourself 2-3 weeks later. So if you make it a habit to always trim up your beard, your jawline's always gonna look sharp, you're always gonna look clean and put together, and you're not spending any money because you're doing it at home by yourself. Number 3, wear a powerful scent. See, you need to understand the power in a scent. Yes, it's that it smells good, but it's in your perception. When you put on a powerful scent, what you're doing is, especially if you like the scent, instantly, your self-perception will increase. In your head, you're going to think, man, I look good, I smell good. And that confidence, that's what's going to have you looking your best all day. This is why a scent in the mornings, you cannot skip. You do want to make sure that the scent that you choose that morning is a scent that works for the right occasion. So if you're going to be in the office, wear an office scent. If you're going to go on a date, wear a love fragrance, right? So make sure you choose the right scent. This is why with Santa Lucia, when I designed our sets, our new set, Azabache, Love, and Gala, these are 3 scents for every occasion, right? You have Gala, which is great for every day. You have Azabache, which is great for the office. You have Love, which is great, as the name says, for those romantic encounters. Each scent smells powerful, and here's the great part. They're unique. Bro, look at the reviews. People love this new collection, and the great part is it doesn't smell like anything you've ever bought. See, most people will just do a cheap copy, right? They'll grab a Tom Ford or a Killian, they'll do a copy of it and sell it to you. No. Our scents are designed from the ground up with our fragrance house in France. France is the fragrance capital of the world. We source the best oils from Italy and France. This is why our scents, you can't even compare them. And the great part is, we use 21% concentration, which basically means you have a powerful scent, you don't need to waste. You don't need to overspray. 1 to 2 sprays is more than enough to have that powerful projection that's gonna ensure you're not wasting your fragrance and having to buy one every 6 months. You buy the Santa Lucia collection, you're probably good for a year plus with a scent for every occasion. If you guys wanna check it out, you can buy them individually. All 3 smell amazing, but if I were you, I'd buy the whole set so you're good for every occasion, and I'm giving you $150 discount when you buy all 3, and there is free shipping and free returns in the US. If you guys want to check it out, it'll be linked down below. Number 4, wash your face with a face wash that has salicylic acid. See, washing your face every day is important. The face wash you use is probably even more important. When you use a face wash that has salicylic acid, what you're basically doing is that you're cutting through the grease and the oils that your face is producing, and it's going to leave your face with a nice and matte finish. If you suffer from an oily face or acne breakouts, a salicylic acid will cut through that grease to make sure you're not overproducing oil and cut back on the acne breakout. Number 5, wear your best fit. This is crucial. And you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. You know that first day of school fit? The fit that you plan about a week in advance. It's color coordinated, it's perfect, and when you wear it that day in school, like you feel like the man. Like you know, I look good. I want you to have that energy every day. Every day, I want you to put in that effort to compose a fit that you know works with your body proportions, that you know works with your body proportions, with your skin tone color, and it makes you feel like the man. It's not even so much the clothing, it's the confidence. That confidence that you're gonna portray, it's always gonna make you look your best. And finally, number 6, have a full-length mirror. Probably the best hack and habit you can do. Right before stepping out in the morning, I want you to look at the fit. I want you to look at the face, the hair, smell yourself. All right, God damn, I look good. That energy, carry it all day. See, you are your best judge. You know your body the best. You know what works with you, what doesn't work with you, what makes you feel good, and what doesn't make you feel good. Having a full-length mirror is 10 times better than just judging your fit in the bathroom mirror that you can only see waist up. With the full-length mirror, you can see the fit appropriately and swap out anything that you don't like or don't think is working with your body type. Now, you look your best every day. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our Santa Lucia collection. If you guys want to check it out, it'll be linked down below. That's it for your boy. See you next.